In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted files on Dropbox. If you've ever accidentally deleted something important from your Dropbox, don't worry. Dropbox has a built-in way to show deleted items so you can see what's been removed and, in many cases, restore it. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you know exactly where to look and what to click. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Sign into your account if you aren't already, and you should land on your main Dropbox home dashboard. This is the page where you can see your folders, recent files, and anything you've stored in your Dropbox. Make sure you're on the All Files view so you're looking at your main file list and not a specific folder or special section like Photos or Shared. Once you're on the home dashboard, look for the area labeled All Files. This is usually found on the left-hand side or near the top, depending on the current Dropbox layout. Next to All Files, you'll see a small gear icon. This gear is where Dropbox hides some of the more advanced viewing options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon next to All Files. When you click it, a small menu will appear. This menu controls how files are displayed and what kinds of items you can see. One of the options in this menu will be Show Deleted Files. Now, click on Show Deleted Files. As soon as you do that, Dropbox will refresh the view and highlight items that have been deleted. These deleted files and folders often appear slightly grayed out or with a special icon indicating that they're no longer active. You're not restoring anything yet. You're just telling Dropbox to reveal items that were previously hidden from your normal file view. From here, you can browse through your directories exactly as you would with regular files, but now you'll also see what's been removed. This is really useful if you can't remember the exact name of the file, or if you want to check when something was deleted before deciding what to restore. That's all you need to do to find deleted files on Dropbox. Open your Dropbox home dashboard, click the gear icon next to All Files, and choose Show Deleted Files. Once you're done reviewing, you can turn this option off the same way to go back to a cleaner view of only your active files.